Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time that you end up being here. We wish you would stay, but can't force you. It sucks. I can't stay. I'm amazing. You're missing out on something really great here. But today is Collab Day. It is with the ever so amazing and gorgeous Lilith Luna, aka Tracy, here on the YouTube. I'm so excited that we're getting to do this here today, and I'm really excited. We played with the Glamlite Friday the 13th palette. We did a palette bingo. Please go make sure that you're checking out her channel, her video. I will have both of those linked down below. Go leave a comment, subscribe to her, all that good stuff. But if you want to see how I ended up creating this look right here, it's stunning and I love it. You want to do a little palette bingo with me, then let's get into it. Good morning. It is bright here in Minnesota. It's 36 degrees here in Minnesota. It was just blizzarding in Minnesota. We're on one and I don't know how to feel about it. Thank you, climate change. Thank you. But today is one of my favorite days. I love getting to do these, and I love that I have friends that are willing to do these with me. It is Collab Day. We have 2 of them this week. I'm just super excited about it. But today we are going to be collabing with Lilith Luna, aka Tracy, right here. She's somebody that I've gotten to be and start to be friends with the past couple months or so. I absolutely adore her. She's just, yeah. I love and adore her already. So I hope that you guys go and check her out. I hope that you go leave some comments. I'll have her video linked down below. I will have her channel linked down below. Go make sure that you're giving her some love. But today we are going to be doing a palette bingo with the Glamlite Friday the 13th palette. I'm super excited. I know that this pulls really into her style and makeup. She's really into like goth styles. I've been into, some more grungier tones. So I felt like this was going to be a really good vibe for both of us. I absolutely adore this palette. I think this palette is just stunning. And I'm super excited for this. So let's get into this. We decided that we were going to be choosing 5 shades, random number generating them. Because this is a palette bingo, okay? I'm not just going to sit here and just pick my 5 shades. But yeah, we are going to be doing a palette bingo here today. Okay, so I used the little Google whatever thing, right? So I have 15 shades put in because there's 15 shades in this palette. So let's get this thing started. 9. 9 is that shade right there called Camp Crystal Lake. Next, 6. 6 is that shade right there called Can't Hide. It's kind of like a little pink shimmer. I'm already excited. Next, this is our 3rd pick. 1. All shimmers so far. 1 is that shade right there called Jason Lives. 4th, 10. 10 is that shade right there called Camp Blood. And last but not least, please be one more matte. It'd be nice. I mean, I'm a shimmer addict, but I need a couple mattes, Okay, be something good. 7. It's another shimmer. 7 is that shade right there called Summer Camp. So this is the color story that I got. I think it's a lot of fun though. It's very almost like Christmassy vibe. I do like it. Okay, I do like it. Am I kind of sad that there's only 1 matte? Yes, I am. But here we go. This is Camp Crystal Lake, Can't Hide, Jason Lives, Camp Blood, and then Summer Camp. Like I said, I think this is gonna be fun. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm happy. I like this. This is really pretty. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. These links are just for you people. They're not for me. They're for you if you see anything in my video or videos that you would like to, want to look at, peruse, whatever may be. Right. Okay, so to start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch in. Okay, so the vibe that I'm feeling with this is like we can use this in like the crease here. Maybe put a little bit of one of these in her, smoke it out with that darker blue, figure out where to input that summer camp shade. I've got some sort of an idea. It's always about if I can actually execute what I want. We'll maybe put some like waterliner in there. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. We'll figure it out. We're going to be going in with that Camp Blood shade right there. And I'm going to be taking that on my Unearthly UC85. I say this every single time. You know, this is a mystery box brush. But I absolutely and utterly recommend Unearthly's brushes. Their green ones are freaking insane. I'm probably going to pick up them. Like more of them. I think they have more brushes. I don't know. But I really, really do enjoy the brushes. I'm going to be taking that shade and just plopping it into the crease here. Taking it and just sort of blending it out. Kind of getting a lay down for it. Just a placement, and then I do want to make this color pop. So right now I'm just working a placement, and then I will go in and stamp, literally stamp the eyeshadow in so I get the color pigment that I want. Like I said earlier, I think y'all will absolutely adore Tracy. She's an absolute sweetheart. She's just, I love her looks. Her and her daughter collab all the time. She does a lot of Melt, a lot of Glamlite, Spooky palettes. She's a good time, and I really do think you guys will enjoy her. I adore her, and I'm super happy that I get to collab with her. I'm just taking that brush after I've cleaned it off and blending out this mess that I've created up here. So there is that. I'm going to go in now with my Refer 26. I always use this as like my darker shadowed, like if I'm going to be placing in here, it's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go in with that Camp Crystal Lake shade now. I know that it's a shimmer, but we're just going to use it this way. So I'm going to be taking that and taking it right here and here. Just placing it for right now. I will blend it in a minute, but I like to get my placement done first, and then we can do all the blending. This is going to be a very Tracy eye. So, I hope she enjoys it. I hope she gets good colors too, because I know that the bingo gods are not in everybody's favor. Like, they're not nice to a lot of people. But yeah, just taking that and plopping that in here. I think this is going to be a bomb look. Probably not one that I wear to my boyfriends, but it will be fine. So I'm going to switch back to the Unearthly UC85 and just blend up here. That's a mess. We can figure that out later. We're gonna move on. Now we have those other three shimmers to use. So we have Jason Lives, Can't Hide, and Summer Camp. Those three. At least they're right next to each other, right? Right. So I'm thinking we're gonna use one of these two in here. Maybe, you know, maybe that in here and then these two in here. Okay. So I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Summer Camp. And I'm going to use my Refer 21. This is my go-to shimmer brush. It applies it so flawlessly, just so stunningly. I recommend it. And I'm going to be taking that and popping that into that space right there. I have not sprayed the brush. I have not done anything. I have just taken it from the pan to the eyeball. But just taking that and applying that there. I think that's really pretty. I'm probably going to blend that in with that pink shade, but for right now, I'm liking it. So now that I have that there, like I said, we're just going to blend everything out at the end. It's not our problem right now, okay? That's a later Nikki problem. So we're going to be going in with that Can't Hide shade now. Still taking that same brush after I've cleaned it off a little bit. plopping it right here. I'm going in a couple times with the pigment, the eyeshadow, blending it that way a little bit. I think that's just super pretty. Cleaning it off for one of the last times, and now we're going to be going in with that Jason Live shade now. Just plopping it into right there. I really like how that looks, so like that red right there. So I'm gonna have to fix that and put it on the side, but I really actually genuinely like how this is turning out right now. I mean, they're incredibly uneven, but who really cares, right? Well, here is what I have right now. I'm probably gonna put like a black liner right there. Probably put some black liner in here. We'll see what I end up doing. I'll tell you when I get back, but I'm going to go do the rest of my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We'll talk about what liner deets that I did, that stuff, and then we'll finish the under eye. I'll be back. It's a look. I love how just adding a face just pulls everything together. It's so bomb. Okay, let's go over a couple details here. I don't have highlighter on yet, just an FYI. I went in with the REM Beauty Brow Pencil in Deep Neutral Brown up here. I also did put like some black liner here and in here. They're really old. They're really crappy. Just anything will really work, okay? I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's old. Then I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. Still pissed off that this is getting discontinued, but I went in with Pulp and Mouth Watering here. I think it turned out super pretty. I really like how it looks. I don't know if you can see me. I'm not freaking bright enough. For highlight, I went in with these two. I went in with the Noctilucent one from Blend Bunny. I went in with that shade right there called Dreamlike. I'm trying to get more uses out of it. I'm realizing I've been neglecting it. And how much I would like really do adore it. It's like, it's so pretty. It's that right there. And I mixed some places in with the Friday the 13th highlighter that came with the palette. Yeah, I look really pretty right now. And really shiny. And I love it. I am kind of tempted to leave it like this just because I think it looks bomb. You know, like maybe just leaving the eye look like this. We used all the shades. So I think I am, but I am going to go in with a little bit more in the inner corner here. I'm going to take my Refer 03 here, and I'm going to go in with just a tiny bit of that Jason Live shade right there. And just plop it right here. Y'all. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara down here and then we'll figure out a lip. Okay, for lip, I went in with the Unearthly lipstick in Shadow Veil. This is from the Gargoyle collection. I think it just kind of pulled everything here together. I think this is a vibe. It is stunning. I love the tones. This is very Tracy though, and I love it. I feel like this just, it worked out in her favor and I adore it. So here is a little up close look at the look. I think it is so pretty. I'm trying to show you this highlight though. Oof, yeah, I love this. I think this is so stunning. I adore it. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. I really do adore this palette. I think I've said that before in my videos on this, but I think this is just such a stunning color story, and everything just works so well in it, and I'm really happy that I got to do this collab here with Tracy. Like I said at the beginning, please go check her out. She's just freaking amazing. I think you guys will adore her, so please go check her out. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you guys sit here and watch and enjoy my content. It means a lot to me. Just thank you so much. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. It's 2025. Pull your head out of your ass. Do better. We're judging you. We're all judging you. And you suck. Okay? Okay. And remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients. It's getting to winter. So just be making sure that you're taking care of yourself because you matter. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you for being here. It means the world to me. So again, thank you. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see a your cute face next time.